Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video guys, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano po mag-apply ng apply for one-on-one coaching from a YouTube expert. So I received this email today morning, July anong date na ngayon? July 12, 2022. And ito yung sabing nasa email. Chris TV, you are eligible for partner manager. Now is your chance to team up with your own YouTube partner manager to help you grow your channel. Spots are filing up fast. Don't miss your windows to apply. And dito sa baba, meron siyang ilang days na kung saan pwede kang mag-apply. So meron pa akong remaining 14 days and 4 hours and 39 minutes and so on and so forth. Dito sa baba guys, get exclusive benefits to reach your full potential. Get dedicated support from a YouTube expert. Meet regularly with a partner manager to discuss goals, content, and earning strategy. Identify audience insights and revenue opportunities in your analytics. Learn according to your needs. Be the first to know about new features, formats, and tools. Develop new creative and business skills with our special programs. Connect with community for inspiration, exchange ideas and best practices in exclusive workshops and events. Network with fellow creators and explore opportunities for a collaboration. Space are limited to sign up before July 25, 2022. So ito lang yung yung huli. Ito yung last day, July 25 na kung saan yung huling palugit nila. So pag gusto mo mag-apply, i-click mo yung apply dyan. So titingnan natin kung ano yung mga tools nandun sa ayan. So ready for your own YouTube partner. Just fill out the form below and we'll be in touch. Here's what you'll get if you are accepted to the program. Work with your own partner manager to develop channel strategies. Create a personal channel analysis to meet your channel's goals. Receive invites to exclusive events and workshops and more. Dito, bali ilagay mo lang dito guys yung last name dito. And pinakababa, meron siya ditong account number. And dito, meron ditong meron kong phone number. Ilagay mo siya dito yung phone number mo. Tapos, I agree to be contacted with you for a partner management opportunities. And dito sa box, i-submit mo lang in some account and system information will be sent to Google and support calls. And chat may be recorded. We will use information to improve may be recorded. We will use this information to improve support quality and training, to help address technical issues, and to improve our products and services subject to our privacy policy and terms of service. Andito guys, ilagay nyo lang yung yung first name and last name. So ito yung ilalagay nyo guys kung sino may yung kung ano yung details na nilagay nyo sa AdSense mo, at saka yung email address is ilagay nyo is yung email ng YouTube mo, hindi yung email sa YouTube channel mo. Kuha. And dito sa baba, meron siya nakalagay na phone number. Magpili ka na dito. So kung saan kang nabilong sa bansa, so i-click mo lang yung example 63. So bali mag-start ka is 9 kasi 01 is counted 4 plus 63. So tapos submit nyo lang guys, and that's it. Mag-antay lang ng konti kasi si YouTube will get in touch kung nasubmit nyo na and para ma-review na nila. So that's it guys, and I hope you learned from this video, and huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe and hit mo lang yung notification bell for more videos updates. Bye bye.